Now we have two missions to do today. We have about 2 hours. Take advantage of a nice day, get a nice local ride in, and then we're going to head up to Luciano's, and Chris is going to meet us there with our R6, and we're going to swap out the tires. And the weather promises to be nice all day, and I never like to waste a day. Just the other day we got the mulch in on Karen's garden. You can see there's 2 more bags of potting soil up there. Once this garden is done, and once our paint projects are finished for Vlad and for Mark, we are ready to start what I hope is going to be just a wonderful, long and safe riding season. And we're coming up on it very shortly. had a great ride today. It's just couldn't be nicer. The trees are all filling in. But like anything in life, it's over. It's time to turn around and head home, and we're going to run up to Luciano's and hopefully get those R1 tires changed today. Yeah, we made good use of a really nice day so far, but the day's not over. We got to head up to Luciano's. I got to get the balancer and some weights, get the car emptied out. We have all the baby toys in there. Time to go help Chris change some tires. It's amazing. We both get here about within 30 seconds of each other. I get stuck in traffic. Oh, we got here exactly the same time. Now where's Luciano? Look at that beautiful wheel balancer. Wow. Yesterday we picked that up.
That you had on the video.
That's the one right there. This is his regular driver.
What's in the shed?
Oh, Dave's bike.
No, I got.
She wants to ride Dave's bike. I know you.
2 bikes for sale. Let's see, downsizing. The garage.
This is a very cool bike.
The garage used to be full.
Hey, you look good in that car. Maybe you should sell the R1, swap them for the R1.
The carpet color is terrible.
Okay, it took Chris 5 minutes to get the front wheel off.
They're gonna just try to.
Actually, it's exactly the same as the R1. No problem getting the front wheel off. Take them apart. Oh, I love the smell of fresh tires. Fresh tires. Wow. It's nice to watch a professional work, isn't it? Wow.
It's the first time I do it.
You look like you're making a pizza pie here. What are you doing? Come on.
It's the first time I do it.
What? What? Push that around. Come on, if you want to be a tire changer, go. We're going in business.
Your muscles.
Yay! And that's the hard part. Now the easy part, order a pepperoni pizza. That special stuff to do this is very slippery.
Is it just sweat?
No, I have to use Dawn because he won't buy me a bottle of this for Christmas, even though it's Christmas. I have to use Dawn, so he only uses this when we're at his house. At my house, I have to use Dawn.
I use this as just a special occasions.
Oh boy, oh boy. Front tire's done. Now Chris is going to change this one barehanded. Barehanded. Come on, come on. You want to be a MotoGP mechanic? You got to learn how to swap tires out. What do you want to be, a consumer or a motorcyclist? Pull that tire off. There you go. Two hands, two hands. Come on, girl. Two hands. There you go. Who needs Luciano now that we have our own tire machine? Go! Oh, hey!
Okay, good.
Hey! Look at that. Wow! You show your son that video. He'll be impressed. I'm impressed. So all that's left is to balance the last of the tires, snap the chain back on. Should be a piece of cake for Chris.
You get the very emotional.
Yeah, believe it or not, this was very funny. It balanced perfect when we took the old weight off. It was only the difference of the old weight coming off, and it's perfect.
You don't need a chuck it.
Go up and down the block. I know we only had 2 or 3 parts left over at the end. The spacer for the back wheel and the brake pucks. You'll be
You
fine.
don't need your boots, just use a bare feet.
Just one wheelie is all. We just checked if those brakes are seated in.
I'm gonna be away. Tippy.
There's Chris's first tire change, and won't be her last.
You put that on.
We all learned from this experience how important it is to have curvy girls. Between how long did it take us to put the air in the front tire?
She is a curvy girl.
Yeah, curvy girl. Next time we change those tires, curvy girls, curvy girls. And there's the old tires there.
No donuts, please.
You can make a planter out of these tires. Look at that. Look at that. The story of our life.
Watch my car.
Don't scratch the car. Ah. Well, I hope we put all those spacers in right. Looks like the chain's coming off. Oh, there goes the back wheel. Watch this. One wheelie and that's the end of that. Maybe what Chris is going to figure out real soon is, maybe she already figured out, you start doing track days with a bike and all of a sudden you have piles of tires somewhere in your backyard. How is it? That ends a pretty good day. Here we got a whole back of the van loaded with baby toys and used track day tires. What could be more fun? Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I know Chris enjoyed it.